Konnichiwa. My name is Apurva S. Jagadishan, and I am a fourth year computer science with specialization in data science student pursuing my BTech degree from Vellore Institute of Technology. Today, I have chosen Theme 5 by Order Busters, which is knowledge capturing AI system. Before diving in, let us consider the types of knowledge. There are two types of knowledge, which is tacit knowledge or implicit knowledge and explicit knowledge. Explicit knowledge is that knowledge that can be easily articulated and we can share it with others, like reports or memos or formulae. But if we consider tacit knowledge, it's not easily visible or expressible, and it's highly personalized, consisting of insights, intuitions, and hunches. Something that comes with experience, it can be hard to capture and communicate. For example, a senior software engineer's experience of programming, or a baker knowing how can I make the perfect bread. This is what we're going to try to capture with Garden of Knowledge, or Chishiki no Shugosha, an agentic AI system that can learn from an individual's tacit knowledge in different scenarios. This system draws inspiration from the SPCI model proposed by Nonaka and Takeuchi, specifically the socialization, which is conversion of tacit knowledge, and externalization phases, which is the conversion of tacit to explicit knowledge. We have an agentic architecture for the same. An AI agent is capable of thinking, reasoning, and even making decisions like a human. To understand the solution well, let us look at the example of a trading company. A trading company has tacit knowledge such as logistics and operations. They need to know if there are congestions and how can they reroute shipments. How do they handle customs in different countries? They need to know negotiation and deal making strategies. How can they push for discounts? So let us look at a 9-step workflow for the same. First step, workflow initiation. When there's a shipment delay or there's a supplier problem, the system begins recording events such as emails, chat logs, meeting notes, and dashboards. Next step, data gathering. We're going to capture raw tacit knowledge. For example, the logistics team discussing which ports are congested. Procurement team recalling, okay, supplier X delivers late during the peak season. So these audio transcripts, screen recordings, and text logs are collected. Next step, context enrichment. The system prompts an expert. For example, a senior logistics manager. Why did you choose port B instead of C? And what negotiation tactic helped you in securing this 5% discount? And accordingly, the relevant context is added. Next step, insight extraction. AI agents extract the rules, heuristics, and decision patterns, such as if customs delay in country A exceed 3 days, reroute via country B, and confidence levels are assigned based on the supporting evidence which we collected so far. Next step, we have AI and human reviewers who decide if the insights are ready for structuring. And any insights which lack evidence are going to be flagged for further refinement. Sixth step, the insights which we collected so far are mapped onto categories. Customs handling and rerouting would go into logistics and operation. Discount tactics would go into negotiation and deals. Rules are formatted into the consistent template so we can use it easily in the future. There's a negotiator approving our deal making tactics and so on. Next step, knowledge based storage. The insights which we have collected so far and already validated are going to be stored in a knowledge graph and vector DB, which is easily searchable through natural language. The final step, workflow completion. The information which we have collected so far is published as training modules, negotiation playbooks, and even onboarding FAQs. So new employees who join have the instant access to insights without relying on veteran knowledge, and the knowledge is continuously updated as new experiences are recorded. Our implementation plan is going to use agentic frameworks such as LangGraph, LangChain, AI models such as GPT-4, GPT-5, Llama. The knowledge base is going to use vector databases such as Pinecone, ChromaDB, or FAIST. The user interface is a web dashboard through React or Shadcn UI. Privacy and security is a key factor over here. We're going to have strict access control mechanisms such as SSO and encryption so that no confidential details are leaked outside, such as AES or TLS. For deployment and scaling, we're going to use AWS, GCP, or Azure. What is the impact and relevance to Japan? Picture this. Japan has thousands of years of rich heritage, deep expertise that often lives in the minds of individuals like Kaizen, craftsmanship, and service excellence. India also has many industries such as IT and pharmacies, where experience guides our everyday decisions. Nonaka and Takeuchi have rightly said that creating knowledge will become the key to sustaining a competitive advantage in the future. Lessons of success and failure need to be passed down to generations, and we're not looking to reinvent the wheel. So, with Garden of Knowledge, Japan and India can safeguard this rich knowledge, strengthen their workforce, and even drive innovation. So, what is my personal connection to Japan? My personal connection to Japan began many years ago with anime like Fairy Tail, and it gave me entertainment. Also, it gave me values such as resilience, teamwork, and loyalty. Ideas that shaped how I approach challenges even in my day to day life. Japan is a place of constant innovation. The Walkman was invented there, and today there is cutting edge robotics and AI, making Japan a starting point of so many global innovations. This is what truly inspires me, and I would love to be part of this innovative ecosystem. In conclusion, Garden of Knowledge is more than just a system. It is a bridge between human wisdom and AI. By capturing the tacit knowledge that often remains unspoken, it ensures that organizations and individuals never lose their most valuable asset, which is experience and the knowledge that comes with it. So it is inspired by Japan's tradition of innovation, and it shows how can we preserve the expertise, empower people, and create a future where knowledge continues to grow even as individuals move on with their lives. Thank you. Arigato.